In this video, we'll be looking at the random group generators found in the tools of the Lesson Activity Toolkit. These tools allow us to create groups either by using pictures or by using words. So what a teacher could do is she could divide her class into groups without having to physically do the grouping herself. It could just be done through the random group generators. Where would we find the random group generators? If I click on the Gallery tab, then click on Lesson Activity Toolkit, go to Tools, you'll see that I have the Random Group Picker /image and Random Group Picker /text. I could either double click these or drag them in to get them onto my page. Let's go see how they work. The first one we're going to look at is the Random Image Group Generator, so using images. Now I've gone ahead and I've taken images that I've found and I'm going to put them into there. You could use pictures of your students if you are allowed, or you could use them from the school admin systems such as Pencilbox, once again if you're allowed. Or if you have enough time, maybe get the IT teacher to create these little animation pictures of them and they can use those to associate with them. So I've gone and got my pictures. I have dragged in the image group generator and it has a few options. So I can decrease the number of images that I want to use, and I can also go and select how many groups I want to divide them into. So a maximum of 18 groups. So for this example, we're just going to use 2. I've gone and got my pictures. I drag them over the block I want. You'll see it goes yellow, and then I release it. It'll then suck it into that. So I have 21 images. And I'm going to divide that into groups of 3 so that it works out properly, and I'm going to generate. Now it makes all the groups. I'm going to resize this just so you could see. And then I have the option to inject all the groups or just inject the specific groups that I want. So I'm going to inject all the groups, and there you'll see I have all the different groups now. They have a number linked to their face. And they'll go get into those groups and they can work from there. Great activity, a lot of fun. Takes a bit of time to get it going, but once you have that generator, you can save it as a template and you can use it for all your different activities if you have the same class. Let's have a look at the random group generator using text. So I've installed some names here, and here we have fewer options because it just generates the groups. So it just generates a group so we can tell how many groups we want. I'm going to add another name. So you click on the block and then you simply type. And that puts the name in. Then you generate the groups, group 1 and group 2, and it lists everybody that's in the group. If you're not happy with that, what you can then go do is regroup, so you can have a quick reshuffle. Okay, or you can go back, and once again we now have the options to inject. And in this example I'm just going to inject group 1, make it a little smaller and inject. And there I have my group 1, and the people can go get into those groups. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.